now the capability that iTeam has to enforce password rules, in this particular case with Active Directory. So we installed the Active Directory plugin that basically is a password interceptor. Anyone changing a password, when it goes into Active Directory, that plugin intercept that, pass it on to iTeam and say, iTeam, check this out for me. Is this good enough based on your rules? And if iTeam say yes, that password go through. But if iTeam say no, that doesn't meet my rule, it tells Active Directory no, this particular rule that I have is not met by that, and the user, you'll see that gets a message that he thinks is actually coming from Active Directory, and in fact it is, but it's been actually previously filtered by iTeam, and we log everything that is happening in here for compliance and monitoring reasons. So let's go into the iTeam cockpit. So we go into the console and log in as iTeam manager. Put the password. We are in the console, and out of the very many things that we have seen so far, remember in the manage policy we have a bunch of policies. We have one specifically for password policies, and we only have one password policy defined, which is this OFN, the password policy. And when we click on it, that's just the name of it. The target is the OFN Active Directory adapter for Active Directory, where this is enforced. And the rule is simply saying, the password has to have at least 7 characters. But notice all the granularity of all the things that you can specify on how strong you want the password in ADB. In fact, in this particular case, I don't have anything set up in AD, just the default policy that comes out of the box, so you can put a password that is 6 characters long or less. So we're done here, and let's go into Active Directory and make a change to one of the users. Let's pick on Judy Hill again. So we right click, notice that we are outside iTeam, we are doing a normal reset, and we are going to select a password that is only 6 characters long. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. And now 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we click OK. And what message do we get? Windows cannot complete. And notice that the reason pass is minimum password length, and it's iTeam actually saying that it doesn't meet the compliance rule regardless of AD allowing this to happen. But the user sees like an Active Directory, so from whatever he's doing, he's done Control-Alt-Delete, he called the help desk to have the password changed. From whenever a password is going to be happening, is going to be intercepted by the plugin, and iTeam will have it say or yes or no whether that thing can actually happen. And we also log everything that has happened. So if we go into Tivoli password sync log, we see that right now it is 529 about, and it was changed on 528, so that was us. And I was testing this before, and this is the entry for the recording that I'm doing. It was sent to the Active Directory, to iTeam, and iTeam said nope, it doesn't meet the requirement, and that's why Active Directory says so.